Hi, Mick here again. I'm here to show you around the ISS app. It's packed full of useful information, and it's the easiest way to complete the surveys if you need a certificate of completion. Pro tip, turn on push notifications to receive announcements and reminders. To download the Innovative School Summit app, go to your app store and click download. Then click open and select the event you're attending. Enter your first name, last name, and email address. Click the arrow. A code will be sent to the email that was used when you registered. Copy and paste the code and then click the arrow. Now you're in the app. Swipe through the quick links at the top. Use your QR code to scan with exhibitors, or you can scan other attendees' QR codes to share contact information. Select the calendar icon at the bottom of the screen to view sessions. You can filter by date and time of the day. Add sessions to your schedule by clicking the plus icon. After clicking on a session, scroll down to About This Session, where you will see the survey and any attachments if provided by the presenter. The middle button at the bottom of your screen takes you to the listing of exhibitors. The button with 3 horizontal lines opens a menu for important information about certificates, book signings, discussions, and much more. When you click on your profile at the bottom right of the page, you can see your schedule and important links. If you have questions about the app, visit the registration desk during the conference. We'll be happy to point you in the right direction.